Does HRT cause cancer? Research is very clear that HRT increases the risk of certain types of cancer. HRT increases the risk of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and womb cancer. Risk of breast cancer is higher with combined HRT that contains both estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen only HRT increased the risk of womb cancer, but combined HRT reduced the risk of womb cancer. But don't forget, combined HRT also cause biggest increase in the risk of breast cancer. Does HRT cause weight gain? Menopause itself causes weight gain, and research shows women on HRT have less fat in their bodies and gain less weight compared to women who are not taking HRT. So, in a simple words, HRT does not make women gain weight. It might actually help them to lose weight for menopausal women. Does HRT cause blood clots? Research suggests that women who take HRT tablets, they have a higher chance of developing blood clots compared to women who don't take HRT tablets. Risk of forming blood clots is only associated with HRT tablets because women who use HRT in form of gels, patches, creams, etc., they do not have increased risk of blood clots. Does HRT cause kidney disease? HRT increases the risk of cholelithiasis, which is formation of gallstones in the gallbladder. In the next video, we will discuss natural treatments for menopause. Subscribe to our channel and remember, our body is the only place where we have to live.